Hey everybody, this is Gaynor Meilke from Charisma, and we are continuing on with our attention restoration therapy series that goes along with the list and overview that we have in issue 3 of Plan C magazine. And today we're going to talk about breathing, and it's natural. Many of us don't even think about breathing, which is a good thing when we want to keep ourselves alive and respirating for that purpose. But breathing can actually be a very powerful tool in resetting your focus. And that's what we're going to talk about today. And it's not something that needs to become a cumbersome practice, at least at first, just so that you become more aware of how your breath can help you control your focus and also your emotional state. So when you think about sometimes if you get frustrated, you might let out a big sigh, like a, and the reason why you're doing that is because it will help to release some of that energy. But when you use your breath proactively instead of protectively, you can make a big difference because you can really fight off having those frustrated feelings before they even become an issue. Plus, it's also good for your body to use your breath to release tension and stress. I know for myself, I tend to carry a lot of my tension and stress right here in my chest. And so that's usually a good place to get started with resetting your focus. So you can put your hand, it doesn't matter which hand, right here on your chest, and then take a breath in through your nose and out, and in and out through your mouth. I'm going to do that 2 more times. And out, and in, and out. And if it helps, you can practice breathing in by numbers. So 1, 2, 3, and out 2, 3, and in 2, 3, and out 2, 3, and in 2, 3, and out 2, 3. Now, you can take your hand off your chest, or you can leave one hand or both hands on your chest. How does it feel? You feel a little bit lighter, a little bit easier. Now you feel calmer and you can get to work. Or if you're having maybe an anxiety episode or you feel very scattered, you can also use this technique because everything will pass. And I think that's something else that's important to note is that sometimes you just need to sit with it and understand that if you breathe and kind of go with the state that you're feeling, it's actually going to pass a lot quicker than if you're holding up resistance to it. So you can breathe your way through it. And remember, this is like our like box breathings. We go 2, 3, and out 2, 3, and in 2, 3, and out 2, 3. And I'm just sitting in a chair doing this. You could sit in the car and do it. You can also do it while you're working out, do it anytime at all, walking, which makes it a very powerful technique for resetting your focus. So don't underestimate the power of breathing for helping you reset your attention, restore it, and feel better overall, because a lot of us are always very shallow breathing and we don't even realize it. So the more we can go down even into your belly and then out and in and out, you're going to feel a lot more energized. You can do it standing up, you can do it sitting down, you can do it lying down. That's the beauty of the breath.